Hey, it's Mike here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Hero Packaging Cubes. Now, before I jump into this review, I just want to let you know that I did receive this as a free gift from the company in exchange for doing a review. I will get a commission if you purchase through my link. However, that being said, I'm going to give you my honest opinion on what I like about this and what I don't like about it, as always. So, yeah, this is really something for anyone that goes on trips. If you're traveling, if you are going for business, if you're going with your family especially. We've got a couple kids, and I can see this being very helpful as far as keeping everything organized. You can keep different things in different types of bags here. So you've got this like larger styled one, you've got smaller ones for maybe things like underwear and socks and stuff, different sizes for different types of things that you want to put in. Now, the cool thing about this too is that you've got these little cards that you can actually write what you want to, like what you're going to put in there. So they've got a little thing here, kind of an example: socks, undies, teddy bear, dress, shirts, bow tie. And you can keep very, very organized when you're on your vacation or on your trip. Now, this is also a laundry bag that comes with it. They've got two big laundry bags, which I thought was a nice addition to this, where you can obviously when you're traveling, I don't know if you're like me, but you're always trying to find a way to, like, where am I going to put my dirty stuff? And I usually end up getting a plastic bag or something that I get at the supermarket, and I throw all my stuff in it, and it gets kind of messy, and it's not really nice. So this is a really nice way of keeping all your dirty stuff in here. You can close it up and keep it so that it's all separated from whatever you're doing. And they've got two of them in there. And they have even kind of a checklist of how to pack. So they say to roll your clothes before putting them in the cubes, pack different types of clothing in each cube, write what's on each cube on the cards, use the laundry bags to separate the dirty clothes, and use different color packaging cubes for each family member. So they do have multiple different kind of color choices. So you could definitely have different colors for different people if you've got a larger family. But yeah, as far as what I guess I don't like about this, I guess they could be a little bit deeper. They're not like super, as far as like large, like a lot of depth involved with this. They are kind of shallow. So you will want to roll your clothes up in there. But it seems like good material. It seems like something that could definitely use and be useful for packing. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this review.